Hi, my name's Erin Coates and I joined Victrex in May 2014. I'm a Strategic Technology Manager in our Energy and Industrial Business Unit. My main areas of focus are on our peak-based magma end pipe and green energy. I originally joined Victrex as a summer placement student during my university degree while studying chemistry, and at that point I wasn't very sure whether I wanted to work in industry or progress in academia, and the 3 months I spent at Victrex answered that question for me. On completion of my degree a year later, I came back to Victrex on a temporary contract for 6 months. On completion of that, I became a permanent employee. The last 7 years have been really enjoyable working at Victrex, and I've had many opportunities to work in polymer manufacturing and polymer development. I've been fortunate enough to become a STEM ambassador and promote STEM subjects in local schools and colleges, and also women in science. So I'm excited how Victrex can support the energy transition by providing our sustainable polymer solutions to our customers. I've had the opportunity to work in many teams in the R&D function. I've also had the opportunity to travel as part of my current role to represent Victrex at conferences and trade shows. I've had support from my line managers and colleagues. Colleagues from different departments have mentored me, and that's been a great support system throughout the years. So I've been really lucky during my time at Victrex and been able to work with people not only from the UK but from many of the different offices around the world, and I've been really lucky and made a great group of friends at Victrex. I'm really passionate about our work towards the energy transition and achieving carbon net zero. I can't wait to see where innovation can take us. The main areas of professional development opportunities I've been given are in project management and in leadership. I've recently achieved my Chartered Chemist status, and this was done by following a 2-year development programme. This focused on technical knowledge, communication and autonomy in the workplace. It allowed me to step outside of my comfort zone and try new things that I didn't know if I'd be interested in or things that I'd be very good at. I would recommend working at Victrex because there's many opportunities for personal development, not just technically, but also personally. Employees are very well looked after, and health and well-being are incredibly important to Victrex. This is something that's actively encouraged through all teams. 5 words I'd use to describe Victrex are innovative, supportive, motivating, progressive and rewarding. To get involved. There's many great activities to get involved at Victrex, including our Giving Something Back hub or STEM activities, just to name a few. Plus, it's a great way to meet new people.